friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about NZXT Canvas QHD monitors. So friend, NZXT has announced the Canvas QHD monitors designed to strike a balance between high resolution and high frame rates. And friend, the Canvas 27 QHD and 32 QHD curve they nicely complement an existing PC setup with the choice of to shift with a compact stand or VESA mount and bezel-less design for an edge-to-edge image. And friend, design with NZXT's iconic style, Canvas complements NZXT's award-winning PC builds, components and suite of peripherals. And friend, Canvas monitor features NZXT CAM support, which allow user to set up custom profile setting to adjust visualization settings based on time of day and time of game. And friend, the main features are 1440p resolution HDR10, 165Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and supports AMD FreeSync Premium. And friend, the two options available for mounting a compact stand and VESA 100 into 100 mm pitch. And friend, it features flicker-free display with low blue light means less size strand. And friend, color options are black and white. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the 27-inch black monitor is priced at $359.99 USD and 32-inch black monitor is priced at $429.99 USD and white color option is more costlier than this. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.